For the bow, breeze they blow, cool and soft. Children they sing, loud and proud. Joy don't spread, you know it stop. Christmas now we all know. Make we dance and make we play. All hands join like this, now unity. From Lagos to Sokoto we dey. Mama they cook jollof, Papa they gist with friends. Everybody they smile, they laugh. Christmas spirit no they end. Christmas now we all know.
Christmas This picture, Seth. Look at how this one is just smiling like this. Why won't you smile when you have seen Odogo fine boy that has money? In the area go mom. Yeah, picture around this house is too much, eh? This is now vanity upon vanity. Hey! Who is the queen? Who is the queen? Yeah. Hey. Fine mama, no pimples. Hey, this is the way it should be. It's just that these people didn't used to hear what all these young people now. This kind of a house like this, you have to show the world that you have made it. Get to some splash of color, splash of red here, splash of pink here. You can also dash them small blue. By the time you arrange it like this, anybody that enters, their eye will wide and they will know that you have made it. And this color is too dull. If I talk now, they will say that I'm talking too much. Len, look at how this is just using full chest, just facing everybody coming inside as they are just entering the door. This is the first thing they will see.
Mama, what is it?
You're welcome.
What are you doing?
This picture. You see, this here photo now that you are just exposing the breast and showing to outsiders. The breast that is not even there, it's what I will call pimple. Because if to say it is by showing breasts, if those of us that have it decide to show us, that means everywhere will scatter. But I decided to be mindful in my dressing instead of it to copy me. On this year wedding, I told you that you should wear my wedding gown as a loving mother-in-law that I am.
You are so big now, you know.
That is what the tailor is for. Tailor will adjust it to your size. Learning now, you have exposed everywhere. Eh? You want evil eye to be looking at your breast and poison what my grandchild will suck, and poison what my son too will use to comfort himself at night. Take this picture inside your people's bedroom so that my son can be looking at it there, no problem.
Mama, that I have told you. I don't like the way you keep readjusting things in this house. It is my house. Let things be the way they are. Eh?
It is also my house now. We are one. We are one together forever. Eh? It is also my house. I'm also living here. Akwa, when I came, are you not the one that said, Mama, welcome, feel at home? Well, now that I'm feeling at home, you are now making it to look as if it's another thing that I'm doing.
I don't like this thing. I don't like it.
I'm about these things because I love you. I love them, girl. day the Lord looked at it and said, the work is good. Eh? When lizard jumped from up and jumped down, and nobody clapped for the lizard, okay, it will nod and say, indeed, I have done a good work. Hey! Awugene kwa? Huh? Why you? See my bad child.
Mama, where is my picture?
Your picture? Oh, it was there before I put the other one, but now it's no more there as I've put another one there.
Mama, why would you remove your son's picture and my picture and place your own in the center? You even enlarged it, made it so big. Why?
It all makes sense. Are you feeling it? For time with composure. You are feeling that picture. You know, the last time that I came, that I put my picture there, and you started complaining bitterly. Later I said, let me sit back and look at this thing as an impartial judge. I looked at it analytically and critically. Me lay the photo, I now saw that, photo when is this? I now said, let me bring another one, you know, name it photo. Yeah, if you that photo now, you are feeling that picture. As I brought this one now, you didn't see the nice color that is in the picture now. And that other picture was making me look too fat. Now this one is nice. After all, am I fat? I'm not fat now. And when I'm sure. Come on. Hey! Hey! Mama, where's this?
Hello, my sugar, the love of my life. How are you doing, and how is the mini-me inside you doing?
Baby, please, I'm not fine. I'm not fine, no. It's your mother.
What has she done this time around?
She's busy rearranging this house again.
Are you serious? Hey, Mama. Well, maybe she's just redecorating.
Would you believe she swapped all my pictures and yours to put hers there? It's not nice now.
Trying to bring some Mama Ada flair and, trying to add some colors to the house,
Because I asked for Mama Ada's flair in my own house. Baby, please, I don't like any of these things that's happening right now. Please.
That's really annoying. But babe, you know how she can be. She's definitely going to calm down.
Babe, you and I know that your mother will not calm down. She can never ever calm down. She's acting as if she's the one who is pregnant in this house. The next minute, she's doing something you did not ask her to do. When you bring her out from there, she'll go and learn on that thing the next minute. Babe, I'm tired, I'm tired. This whole thing is stressing me out.
Okay, I will talk to her when I come back. I'll make sure she removes the pictures, and I'll probably nail our pictures on the wall so she won't have to remove them again.
That was what you said last week, oh. That was what you said, and yet nothing has been done. And tomorrow now she will say why she did the other one is because you did not ask her not to do it. It's not nice now.
I will talk to her, I promise. I'll talk to her this night.
Baby, please, you better talk to her.
I won't forget. I'm still at the factory. I want to make some deliveries. As soon as I'm done here, I'll be on my way home. And immediately I get back, I'll talk to her.
And you better do it this time around.
I promise you. Okay. All right. Bye. Uche!
Yes, who is that? Gary?
Musa, how are you?
I'm fine. Nice work today. Hope it's not stressful.
Busy and stressful as usual.
Hey. But, guy, see, you are very lucky man. See, all the house is full of women. Me will be say I will just dey for gates. Even if for this summertime season like this, no woman to massage my back or to hold my body. But like you're very lucky.
Musa.
No.
So do you know that sometimes I wish I could switch places with you?
Hey, okay, never. You will never be like me. See, make I clear you, since everything don't dey do for this house now, no be say na every time they see put chop. Sometimes if you no see put chop, sometimes I go see put chop. You no go be like me, okay?
Hey, Musa.
No?
I'm actually thinking of maybe chilling here for a while before going inside the house, because as soon as I enter inside that house, it's going to be from one trouble to another.
Guy, you won't be tight, and Nwosu no pursue them. If you pursue them now, all this their drama, me I know PC and they watch. You know say I no get TV for my lolo.
Musa,
No.
so it's my family business you are using to entertain yourself.
No, guy, I don't mean that.
Now what's bringing that level?
So inside.
Get out!
So I'm just thinking with all these things where I don't talk with you, I think I've convinced you and I've convinced you so that you go know say I never talk.
Come here.
Hey.
And buy something to eat.
Hey!
Well, watch your tongue.
I will.
Really have I received? Really shall I give? Hey. All this Indian film, they are always fighting with their daughter-in-law, giving their daughter-in-law stress. I'm not saying I don't like it. That can never be me. Out of the bowels of my belly, straight from rivers of peace flows out from me down to my daughter-in-law. When I feel Udo, you feel Udo, peace that I bring onto the home. I don't believe in Oba everywhere. Let there be peace in the home. Mother-in-law's work is not to come and start scattering things. It's to bring peace and harmony to the home. No, in our time, we didn't have time for all this material things. I put on all this everything up and down, all these material things. A wife, our main purpose is to make the home to be very, very welcoming to our husband. And that's why I'm always helping you, trying to arrange the home to be somewhere that when my son come back, when he's at work, he'll just be thinking, my wife, my house, my wife, he'll be wanting to run back home. Man, all the effort that I put in, I don't even used to get half of a thank you. At least even if I can hear the ta, I will add the unkyo by myself. Every time you are complaining, every time, Mama, why did you do this? Mama, why did you do that? Mama, why did you repaint my room? It's in Nabawa because I know all the effort I'm putting into making this a happy home. Oh, Nama! Oh, my son! Oh, I've missed you so much for the few hours you have been gone. How is the mom? Fine boy. Oh, look at your gas. Lena, I miss you so much. Welcome. How was your day?
Thank God.
Shy.
How are you?
I'm fine. Didn't you say that your husband has returned from work? You can't greet him.
Mama, since you decided to take over everything in this house, why you continue now? Leave me. If it was in my time that a wife
will say to your husband that she won't get up to greet him when he comes back. Hey! The kind of thing that would have happened. The kind of thing that would have happened. They will call meeting of Ezinụlọ for you on your head.
Mama, you can see she's pregnant. You don't expect her to be jumping up and down everywhere.
Did I tell her to greet you with her stomach? She should greet you with her mouth. The pregnancy is not there. Even if the pregnancy has transferred itself from the stomach to the mouth and her mouth is full with the baby, at least part of the mouth can go down. Welcome. Eh? Aye.
Mama, I've been thinking. You know, it's almost Christmas, and Kiki and I, we plan to go to somewhere quiet, you know, to spend the Christmas just the both of us alone. What do you think? It's a good idea, right?
Quiet. Christmas. The two words do not go pari passu. They didn't get quiet in Christmas. Eh? Christmas won't get an amen pato. Ya patoba ya. Christmas is for loudness. Christmas is where everywhere will just be doing. Everywhere you'll be hearing pots doing boom, 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 boom. Somebody's pot is moving here. Firewood is moving here. You'll be smelling different things from different corners. Everywhere, people will know that the things are happening. Eh? Oh, I am missing the village. I'm missing the village. This Christmas out, I'm missing village.
Since you're missing the village, I think there's still daylight, so we can transport you now so you can get going.
Yes. I can buy your ticket.
I sacrifice myself for you. My love for you has made it that I give up my village enjoyment to be here with you this Christmas. Since you cannot go to the village for Christmas, I have brought the village to you. Together as one we shall stay throughout this Christmas.
Mama, we just want to go and relax, you know, and do what married couple do.
Dogu, what a married couple do? Is it not what a married couple you people did that put her in this condition? Which other married couple thing do you want to go and do now this Christmas? You want to hang her leg on the ceiling? This one that I can't stand up to greet. It is now her you want to go and take to do married couple thing.
Mama,
this December.
It's called bonding. We want to go and bond, stay together, spend time together.
Bond.
Bond. Want to
bonding.
bond.
Which better bonding glue is there than me? We shall bond together. This is a family time. The more the merrier. Akwaya, don't you agree with me?
Yes. The more the merrier.
Yes, we bond together.
As the sun rises every morning, now your love they shine for my heart. Even
No, you're seriously asking me if I'm okay. Is that it?
But what was I supposed to say there?
Maybe tell your mother not to remove my curtains and put her pictures all over the wall.
Oh my goodness, I forgot about that.
Of course you should.
Look, I'm going to tell her to return the curtains.
My curtains.
Your curtains.
Good.
And I will replace your pictures and put them back where they are supposed to be.
I hear you. That is what you keep saying. For the past weeks now, you've been saying you will tell her, and it has been going on and on and on in this house, and yet no changes. And what are you trying to do? Please don't even touch me. Better move back. Yeah. Else you come and call your mother to come and carry this pregnancy. Leave me and my baby. Let us rest, please.
But the baby's our baby.
But your mother should always be the one to be doing things now.
I already say sorry.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me.
I already say sorry.
Leave me. You're stressing somebody up and down in this house. Somebody will just be talking from morning till night. If ordinary, simple instruction you cannot do.
But I already said I'll replace your pictures. I'll put them back where they're supposed to be tomorrow.
Leave me alone.
I'll do it tomorrow.
I said you should leave me alone.
I will replace.
I said don't touch me.
Tomorrow I'll put our pictures back.
Leave me alone.
And then she will return your curtains.
Leave me alone.
And then, okay, I'm holding our baby.
Leave me.
I'm holding the baby, not you. It's my baby.
Are you shouting on me?
No, I'm just holding my baby.
Hello, Mom. Good morning.
Hello, darling. How are you?
Mom, I wish I could be better. I'm trying not to fall sick of Mama Ada's problems in this house.
Are you kidding me? She's still there?
Yeah, Mom, she's still here. We thought she was going to be here for some weeks. But she said since it's already December, that she wants to spend the Christmas with us.
You see, if I was the one that wanted to come stay in your house now, you would tell me, oh no, mommy, you can't stay. Just be on your way. But there she is, spending so much time in your house.
Mom, that is not the problem.
Then what exactly is the problem? What is the problem? The last time I came to your house, I had barely spent 2 weeks when you told me that I should be on my way.
Yeah, because that was when we were on honeymoon. It was supposed to be a private thing between me and my husband.
Okay, but she's supposed to be in your place, right? I'm sure it was Ray that told you to tell me to go. And if it was Ray that told you to tell me to go, then she was the one that asked Ray to do that so that she will have time to come over and stay in your house.
Mom, why are you thinking like this? It's not it.
No. She gets to spend all the time she wants in your house, and I don't even have that privilege to come stay in your house. You know what? I also want to spend Christmas in your house. So, my dear, I will be on my way to come over to your house. Do you understand?
Mom, no, please, wait. You don't have to come now, please.
Don't what? No, go ahead, tell me. What don't you want me to do? I shouldn't come to your house?
Mom, please now. There is no space again in this house.
Oh, really? But there is space for Mama Ada to stay in your house, right?
Mom, it's not like that now. Try and be understanding somebody.
No, what are you trying to say? Mama Ada has all the right to stay in your house for as long as she wants to, but there is no space for me to stay. Kiki, I am coming over to your house. Do you get it? I'll just go freshen up, pack my things, and be on my way to your house. Both of us are spending Christmas in your house. Bye-bye. Nonsense. Can you imagine?
Mom. Hi. What kind of trouble is this one again?
Ray, you know the market is tough. And fuel price nowadays, man, it just keeps going up and up. We are lucky we are still in business, Ray. We're really lucky.
Yes, I understand, sir. But Christmas is by the corner, so I need every kobo I can get, sir.
Yes, so everybody needs every kobo this period.
Yes, sir.
And wait, Ray. I had to just build a new house in this hard economy, Ray. Ha! This guy, you be magician, no?
Magician. So I'm not a magician. It's just God. I mean, it's something I've been wanting to do. I have been saving for years for that.
Wow.
And thank God it has, come to pass.
Wow. Yes, that is discipline. That is discipline.
Thank you, sir.
But you know, you didn't end up there in building a house. You still need to furnish the house, maintain the house, and all of those things. And your wife, how is she? How is your wife?
She's
good. Is she helping out?
Yeah, she's doing the best she can.
Really?
Yes. But that's why I need extra shifts. So any deliveries you have, sir, please don't hesitate to send them my way. Please, sir. Thank you, sir.
And you too. You like stressing yourself in this hard economy. You know your wife is pregnant and still you want to build a house. Can't you just keep renting apartments and save your money?
Well, like I said, I've been wanting to build a house for a long time now. I started saving years back. So I just had to do it because the way the country is going now, you never can tell. You know, the price of bag of cement today will like completely be different from what it will be selling tomorrow. So I just needed to, start doing it since it's something I've always wanted to do. And now I don't have any business with rent anymore. I don't have any business with Lagos landlords anymore. So.
Yeah, that's a wise one, Ray. That's a wise one. But
yes,
no promises, Ray. I can't promise you anything.
It's fine, sir.
Okay.
I'll
try my best. You're not the only one on this job, but I'll just try my best.
Alright, sir. I will be counting on you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. You take care. Have a nice day.
Alright, sir. Thank you so much.
No
sir.
problem.
Alright.
Christmas don't land for Nigeria. Oh. Everybody they shine, they glow. Pepper soup and jollof rice flow. Echo the sweets everywhere we go. Jingle bells, Niger style. Make we dance and make we smile. From Lagos to just know they tire. We go celebrate.
Hey!
Hi, baby. How are you?
Fine. How was work today?
Work was stressful. The normal Lagos stress, traffic, beggars trying to make some money off me. Gaberos here and there making noise.
I know, right? It's really a stressful day for you.
Yeah, as usual, I'm used to it already.
Please don't worry, sit. So, what do you care for? I mean...
Hey, so what did my mother do to you that is making you act all this nice?
What are you talking about? Babe, there is nothing. It's just that your mom, she feels we're in a competition or sort of. So I decided to let her be for a moment and...
Okay, I see.
Don't worry, let me go and get you dinner.
Your mother is here.
Oh, babe, I was trying to...
Hi.
Hi. Ma. Good evening.
Pamela. Not Ma. I don't enjoy you calling me Ma or Mrs. Okafor. Just call me Pamela.
Mom, but you're not old.
I never said I was old. I just said I do not specifically like him calling me Ma. Do you get it? Pamela is just fine.
Yes, babe. I was trying to let you know that she will be joining us for Christmas, but she's already here.
I'm here to spend some time with my daughter, so all right, it's Christmas and I need to give her that beautiful Christmas that she so well deserves. It doesn't matter if you want to go to work for like a year, just go ahead, enjoy yourself. I am here to take very good care of my daughter.
Mom.
Ma.
Pamela, not Ma. I don't like you calling me Ma or Mrs. Okafor. Just call me Pamela. That's fine.
Okay, Pamela.
Beautiful.
We appreciate you coming to spend the Christmas with us. We would love to celebrate the Christmas with you.
Of course you should. Anyway, dear, it's been a while. We'll have to catch up. So how are you, darling? Oh my God, I've really missed you. It's been like ages, So we will have some time to catch up. Bonding time.
Yeah.
I will be upstairs. Welcome, Pamela.
Thank you so very much. So darling, tell me, what's been happening to you? What was that? Was that my earring? Oh my goodness, what's going on? All right, let me just get it fixed back. I like this hair that you're wearing. I hope it's...
Mom, leave me alone. I told you not to come now. It's what you've caused. Everyone's the way he's looking at me.
Excuse you? I don't have any rights to be in my daughter's house. Are you serious right now?
So you're putting words in my mouth. I just said, not for the moment.
Can you get me something to drink?
So your mother is in the house? You were saying we should ask my mom to leave, and here we are, with your mother in the same house.
I did not say your mother should leave.
You implied it repeatedly.
I don't know where you got this from.
Drop it, Kiki. Okay, how is she here? You know how your mother gets around me. You know how she's always acting like she doesn't like me.
She likes you. She's just like that with every other person around her.
No, not to you.
Because I am her child.
Well, of course, you're her child.
Mom? What are you doing here?
I need some rest. I need to sleep. I've not been able to sleep.
I thought I put you in a room.
Which room is that? Mama Ada's room? You really wanted me to sleep and you put me there. You want me to end up with some bruises on my body? I only lay down for a few minutes and she already swung at me twice.
Mom, now you see the reason why I said there was no space in this house.
You're sounding like you're complaining. You do not want me here. Ray, do you have a problem with me being here?
No, Ma. No, Pamela.
So you see, it's fine. Good night. I need a rest.
Good night.
I think I need to shift to that place. Hi. Just the two of us.
As the sun rises every morning, now your love they shine for my heart. Even when the day rains,
Let me see. How do you like
my
this?
love
This
for
is
you no
beautiful.
good
I think I like this. This one is more than this.
Yeah.
Nemo, food is ready.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, so I think I'll have a look at what you cooked, so I'll know if I'll just have a little bit of a taste.
You know, yeah. What do you call bake? This one is speaking big English to do beggy beggy. So in your full mind now, you think I count your mouth inside this food?
I don't get you. You mean you don't want to give food to your son's wife's mother? Darling, is this what you go through? You never even mentioned it to me.
Mom, it's okay. Please. Don't worry. I'll give you out of my food.
It's okay. I don't need to take any food from you. You know you're a pregnant woman. I doubt if the food will be enough for you and your baby. No, it's okay. Just don't bother. I think I'll just order food. No problem.
Mama, you know I don't eat much. Maybe you could share it among both of us.
Okay, I'll put the food for both of you.
Okay, Mama.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Do that again. Do it again. Let me see whether I'll give you food.
It's called hissing.
Say
Hissing.
Hissing.
Not, what did you even do? It's called hissing.
I'll say his. Spell it. Spell.
It's M-T-C-H-E-W.
What concern T inside now? If you don't, did you see any T there? You'll be doing as if you're talking from your nose, as if you went to too much school. Meanwhile, you can't even spell simple. But you know how to be doing. Eh?
Get us some food to eat.
Also again.
What's your problem? All I need, I just wanted to taste what you made.
Bia. That food will not touch your mouth. You better tell me please now. Tell me please now. Let my anger go down. Tell me please.
In my daughter's house?
One please. One please, or else that food will not touch your mouth.
Please, if that's what you need. Please. Jeez, how do you cope?
My stomach is paining me now. Leave me alone.
Oh my goodness. Just for food?
All this is you shouting. It's on top of this baby's head. It's paining me. My head is paining me.
I'm so sorry, darling. It's okay. It's fine. Might as well order maybe chicken broth or something for dinner.
In the shadows of dusk we glide. Silent whisper.
Babe, don't worry now. She's not coming in. I told her what she did was inappropriate. And trust me, there's no way she's coming inside this room.
Are you sure?
Plus, I've locked the doors, so let me know if she'll fly.
But that's not fair. Mama and Pamela actually mean well for us.
They actually mean well for us. By turning my house upside down, all in the name of I love you.
my
They
God.
mean well for us.
Are we still on this? I thought we'd moved past that already.
But babe, you know what they are doing is not fair. It's not right.
But Pamela shouldn't have kicked me out of my room as well.
Babe, please, can you stop calling my mother by her name?
But she warned me several times to do just that. Babe. I don't want to fight. Christmas is by the corner and I want to have a very peaceful Christmas. I want us to spend it together, just you and I, alone. I know Mama and your mom loves you, but I want to show you love without them.
So how do you want to show me you love me without them?
So, I booked us a surprise. Yes, you and I are going to go somewhere quiet, just the both of us. No noise, a very serene environment. No fighting here and there. No Mama, Ada, no Pam.
Wait.
No, your mom, no noise, just the both of us spending this Christmas together. No distractions, you know, just the both of us.
Babe, wait, calm down, relax. You mean you booked us a ticket, a surprise one at that? How did you come up with that?
Don't worry about that. All you need to do is to pack your things. Christmas is going to be peaceful, I promise. I promise. Just pack your things, get you ready. But we might have to come with patience just in case anything happens with the baby.
That I can live with. Honestly, you don't even know how much I want to break out of all of this stress right now. Oh
Right.
God, I really need rest. Sometimes, you know, I feel like I'm even carrying like 2 or 3 babies. I feel so heavy.
Mother, please, I need to sleep. Up against oh Lord. Mother, please, I need to sleep. Sorry, I'm sorry. What was so correct called? Hey, everywhere. This is demonic smell. Kingdom of devils. Bye bye.
Light up the sky. Children they shout, their joy they high. Papa they chop, Mama they fry. Christmas for Niger, no they lie.
Hello, Mama. Yes, so there's something I want to talk to you about. We will be moving to a new house. Shh, Mama, don't loud it. Please lower your voice and I hope you're alone there. So, I do not want Kiki to know about it. I want to surprise her on Christmas Day. So please, I don't want her to hear it. It's something Kiki and I have been talking about for a while now. So I got the house, but I don't want her to know yet. I want the big reveal to be on Christmas Day. Well, Mama, there is no we. It's just going to be Kiki, myself, and Patience. Mama. Mama, I've told you my own. It's just Kiki and I and Patience. And please, I don't want anybody to hear about this. Please, let me be the one to tell Kiki about this house. Please. Alright, I'll see you soon.
As the sun rises every morning, now your love they shine for my heart. Even when it dey rain, my love for you no go depart. For this journey we go together, nothing fit tear us apart. Even when wahala come.
Ta-da!
Wow! Babe, this is beautiful.
I know.
Is this where we'll be spending Christmas?
Merry Christmas to us, my love.
Oh, babe. I honestly, I thought we were gonna be in a hotel or something less expensive because...
Well, someone was advertising this space for Christmas. I saw it, I liked it, and I booked it for us.
I know, babe, but don't you think this would be like our yearly rent?
Come on, babe. I've been getting more deliveries done, so I can actually afford this. So stop asking questions. Let's just be happy. It's my baby. I have not.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Thank God you're safe. I was so worried.
Mom, what are you doing here?
I saw this man sneaking you out of the house before I decided to follow. And then I found that both of you came here. Thank God I came in here to know exactly what he wanted to do to you in this house.
Mom, he was not planning anything. He wasn't going to kidnap me. He's my husband and he has every right to take me wherever he wants to.
Are you sure?
What do you mean, am I sure, Mom?
And you? You took my daughter away without my permission?
Pamela, I didn't know I needed permission from you to go out with my wife.
You took permission from me when you wanted to marry her, didn't you?
Something you declined 4 good times.
I would have continued to decline, if not that she threatened she wasn't going to see my face again.
Look, Pamela, Kiki is my wife, and I am responsible for her. She's my responsibility.
Are you trying to say that everything about my daughter does not concern me? Is that what you're trying to say?
No.
Listen, my daughter is my life, and she means the world to me. So please, I need to be involved with everything that concerns my daughter's life. Don't do anything about her without telling me. Meanwhile, what are you both doing here?
My husband and I were planning on staying here for the Christmas.
Away from the rest of us? Why is this place painted white? It looks a bit quiet. Let me just look around and see what is going on here.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
I'm sorry.
Underneath the moonlight glow,
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, babe.
whispers in the midnight breeze. Our love, a story untold in the land of ancient trees. I Eyes like stars that guide the night.
Babe, this is beautiful.
Yeah, so this is the kitchen.
I mean, I like the interior. We should definitely ask of this when we're building mine, right?
You like it?
Yeah. And the quality is something else.
I know.
Hey, the chandelier.
Okay. Okay. This place looks nice. Wow.
The master's bedroom.
Wow.
Where we'll stay.
This is nice. Oh, yeah, I like it. Look at it. It's beautiful. So, where will I be staying? Where's my room?
In another room.
Another room? Oh, that's nice. All right. I'd like to see it soon. Okay, so can I go see my room now? It is beautiful. So let's go see my room.
Christmas don't land for Nigeria. Oh. Everybody they shine, they glow. Pepper soup and jollof rice flow. Echo the sweets everywhere we go. Jingle bells, Niger style. Make we dance and make we smile. From Lagos to just know they tire. We go celebrate till we retire. Fireworks light up the sky. Children they shout their joy they hide. Papa they chop, mama they fry. Christmas for Niger, no daylight.
You're just taking up.
Market they loud, hustle they go. New clothes for Christmas, he show. Palm wine they flow, ginger beer too. Everywhere you go, Christmas not true. Jingle bells, Niger style. Make we dance and make we smile. From Lagos to just know they tire. We go celebrate till we retire. Family gather, everybody they cheer. It don't become tradition for here. Silent night, but Niger they shout. With love and joy we day about.
Quality.
Mama. Mama, what are you doing here? Patience, you were not supposed to be here until next week.
It's not me now. It's Mama that dragged me here. I told her she did not listen. Said we must come.
Mama, why now?
Why will Kiki's mother be here? And you leave me to be looking for in that house, in the old house. For what? Eh? Mama Kiki is here enjoying and you left me to be looking morose.
Mama, what is she enjoying here? And please bring down your voice.
It is my right to come to my son's house.
Mama, bring down your voice. Mama, I am not saying you cannot come to your son's house. all I'm saying is, we just moved in here. Give us some time to settle in, then you eventually come and live with us, not just now.
Does this law apply to only me?
No.
So, why is Mama Kiki inside the room and I'm still sitting here in palace? No answer. No answer. We move.
Mama. Mama. Mama, where are you going? Mama, can you bring down your voice? You don't even know your way around this house. Simple instruction.
So,
simple instruction.
I should hold your mother.
Instruction.
This tiger that you know. Please, Oga, I don't want trouble. Beg.
Patient, just leave me.
Since I'm here now, Oga, let me quickly observe the house very well. Where the kitchen? Hey, big house. Hey, Oga, you try. Oh, hey.
I can't believe this. Honestly, I can't wrap my head around this. What was that I saw in the kitchen? Who is going to eat that cheap rice for Christmas? Eh? Why would anybody buy such cheap... Holy moly macaroni. Why would anybody buy such cheap rice for Christmas? Oh my
That
goodness.
thing that you are calling cheap rice, that is what normal people eat. Eh? Not everybody is like you, that you are abnormal. You go to another planet to be looking for rice.
Well, some of us do have standards.
Oh. Yeah? So you are saying that me, I don't have standard?
I never said anything like that.
Then what did you say?
Oh my goodness. This woman. But please, who is going to eat that rice? I'm even afraid. I hope my teeth, the whole of my teeth will not be pulled out because of the stones that is in that rice.
There is no stone in that rice.
How do you know that there is no stone in
How
that
will
rice?
I not know that there is no stone?
Oh my God.
In a Chomoku, you are looking for my trouble. I will just unleash. Every year, it is me that used to be in charge of cooking rice for Christmas.
Holy moly. Macaroni.
In a Chomoku, you are looking for my trouble. I will unleash on you.
What will you do?
I will unleash the dragon.
What will you do? I think I'm afraid of you. How can we eat rice that has stones inside for Christmas?
Where did you see the stone?
Okay. Mama had checked the rice and there were no stones in the rice.
Yeah, why are you?
What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
What am I going to do?
What are you going to do? What will you do?
I will unleash the dragon.
Can the two of you stop?
Are we not human beings? We are seated here now.
Can you give us at least a little respect?
Silly. Nonsense. I know your son needs help.
Babe, how did we even get here?
I have no idea.
Because I know how your mom followed us, but...
Is this Indian Christmas or is this Nigerian Christmas?
This is Nigerian Christmas.
This is Igbo Christmas. We eat Abakaliki rice.
We're not eating no Abakaliki rice here. We're eating basmati rice.
We eat our native
rice.
Your mom, how did it happen?
Do you know how many years I've been cooking?
Oh my goodness.
Patience.
You know what? I'm going to help. I'm going to help out your son and buy good rice for Christmas. That's I will get that for you and your son.
I am eating our native rice.
Come up hither. Come up hither. Raise your standards. Come up hither. Must you let everyone know that you suffered when you were praying?
In the hush of night's embrace.
This is supposed to be our Christmas. We can't have them fighting over every plate and spoon.
Babe, I know. I really want us to spend this Christmas alone. But I don't even know how we're supposed to tell them to go without us making it look like we're being rude to them or something. You know my mother, very soon she'll start acting all emotional and all that.
We have to come up with a plan.
So close they sigh, eyes are closed yet souls they fly, tender
maybe we can convince them that we want to go and spend the Christmas somewhere else with our friends. Or maybe Musa can help. Yes, Musa. Musa can help.
Musa the gates man. No, babe, are you being serious right now? This is a joke. Babe, stop this, Joe. What has Musa got to do with all of this? I mean, how can he be of help? Musa the gates man. Do you know, sometimes I'm beginning to wonder if my mother and your mother succeeded in transferring some small touch of madness to your brain because it's no longer functioning well. How?
Babe, I don't even know how and why I came up with that name, Musa. I'm just confused.
Yeah, because he's your friend now. That's how he came up.
Musa is not my friend.
He's your friend.
Musa is not my friend.
Anybody you sit and always chat with and laugh with is your friend.
Babe, Musa does that just to score some change off me. Musa is not my friend.
I would have believed that if he wasn't the one buying his drinks.
Babe, just stop. We're getting off track here. We need to make them leave.
Maybe Musa should know what to do now.
Can you just stop? Stop.
He's your friend. Babe, please come to bed. Let's go and rest. Let's sleep now. Come.
Do you want me?
Stop now. Come first.
You want me? Say it first. You know, we haven't really come up with a name for him or her.
Oh yeah, that's true, but I am still of the opinion that we should wait till I put to bed. Then we can suggest a name for the child. You don't even know if it's a female or a male.
Don't all babies look the same?
I know, babe, but I want to look my child in the eyes and look for a beautiful name, a meaningful name to give to my child. Inspiration has to...
Okay, alright, no problem.
What are you making? Cheap rice. You won't like it.
Well, even cheap stuff can be turned into some nice delicacies.
Hold on.
I need to...
Don't touch my pot. Which one you started opening? Why are you putting so much oil in the food?
It's looking too thick, can't you see?
What do you mean by that?
Oh my goodness.
Do you want to cause heart problem?
Gosh! Nobody's causing any heart problem for anyone. When you put more oil, it becomes very, very tasty, right?
Yes, I don't know what you have been eating, nor who has been cooking for you. But we don't eat that amount of oil in this house.
We always put a lot of oil and it's always nice. Man.
Exactly.
I know I should have brought Chiamaka instead of you.
Chiamaka that cannot make pap. Is who you are comparing to me.
At least you will not try to give my son heart problem with oil.
I've done almost like half of the bottle. What is wrong with you? Look at all those tomatoes. When you put more oil, it becomes tastier. Can't you get it?
Yes, ma'am. The oil is not even enough.
Yes.
This
You have like 2 more bottles.
What of you? What of you is like you people? You people are looking for who you will kill in this house. Eh? It's not me and my children you people will kill.
It's not every time you save things. Can you just learn to spend some money and eat? Are you trying to fight us?
Yeah, if you don't move away from that pot now,
This is not going to end well at all.
Honestly, this is just a mess, a disaster.
If you don't move away from that pot now,
Mama, don't do that.
I will flatten this your bomb.
Mama, do not.
Yeah.
I take exceptions.
Leave my kitchen.
I take exceptions.
Leave my kitchen.
No, I take exceptions. I take serious exceptions.
Flatten that your bomb.
Exceptions.
To
that.
It can also be okay.
There's more orange on it. I take a second.
Hey! Ho! Let me chop tomato.
Hey, Mama. Don't you think a lot of people will be missing you back there in the village? You are usually the one who organizes the Christmas parties and visitations. So, I'm thinking, don't you think you should visit to at least know how they are going about the whole planning, this coming of how they are going about it? You know you are very, very important to them.
Visit the village, what? Mba. I'm going to visit village. Every time, I'll be the one in charge. I'll be shouting. After I'll now lose my voice. When I lose my voice, everybody will be doing nonsense, anything that they want. Because
But Mama, you and I know those parties can't hold without you there.
to hold without me this year. They should manage without me. They should learn how to do it by themselves so that they can appreciate all the effort. Because all the hard work I've been doing every year for this thing, I never may appreciate. They should do it by themselves.
Mama.
Another one.
Mom.
Yes, dear.
What do you think? I mean, don't you think London is the best place to be this time on season?
Wow, that's amazing. Would you want to go? If you really do, I'll just book a ticket right about now, and then by evening we'll be throwing snowballs.
Oh, Mom, that's not what I mean.
Okay, so what are you trying to say?
I'm saying maybe you should just go there, have some fun, take good pictures, and create good memories for yourself. What do you think?
Oh, that would be nice, but I wouldn't want to go on my own. You know, I'm always used to going with you, and then... So we could go together. That makes it more merrier.
Yeah, I know, but you can go with someone else this time.
Yes, Pamela. I'm sure there's going to be a very long queue of men waiting to meet with you.
Excuse you?
Mom, don't take it like that. But someone should be there for you to hang out with, you know?
Can you imagine? I am already here with the person I want to be, and that's you.
Mama, I can't get tired of these people.
Christmas together.
The more the merrier, dear.
It's a banger.
Light don't shine for the bound. Breeze they blow cool and soft. Children they sing loud and proud. Joy don't spread no fit stop. Christmas now we all know. Make we dance and make we play. All hands join like this.
Do you think it's going to be a girl?
Somehow, I wish it's a girl. Somehow. Somehow.
Why? Why would you say so?
You know, before I had a rare, I had the 4 girls in a row. It wasn't easy on me. The family was just pressure me, just pressing me that I should have boy that will inherit the father's property.
Oh, wow. You know, one would even think that they wouldn't want you to have a male child, so they'll just go ahead and take over all the property.
Maybe that would be the case, as there are other men in the family. But my husband is just like our own case. Out of 5 children, he's the only man.
Wow.
So, you know, that's why they are pressing me, say, have boy for our, this. As I didn't born boy now, they were already pressing my husband to go and bring another woman that will born boy for him.
Oh, no.
So, at last, by the time Ray came, it's as if at last I can breathe. You know, and then because of it now, I was now, everything will rare. If he cough, rare. If he sneeze, rare. My whole eye, my whole mind, the spirit strength is on rare. Every time, because he took away pressure from me. You know, as I born him. So everything rare. I didn't even used to leave him alone for anybody. I just left my daughters alone. And it's as if I abandoned them. And my daughters were not happy with me about that. So somehow, it made me feel bad. Later, when I know by then it's already late, they have grown up. When I see that what I did is not good. So now I'm just wishing that if I have granddaughter now, I will show her the love I'm supposed to show my daughters and let her know that there is nothing wrong with being born as a woman.
Of course, there is nothing wrong with being born as a woman. You know, Kiki used to be like that too. Kiki wouldn't just let me be. Oh my goodness, you don't want to know. She will cry all the time. She wanted me to do everything for her. It didn't look like she was going to be independent for 1 second. And that is the same person right now that will even make decisions and wouldn't want me to get involved with her decisions.
Don't mind all these children now. They'll be doing as if they know everything. You want to give them advice, they will say they know. Meanwhile, when they were small, they won't let somebody to breathe.
And you will have to knock on the door of their bedroom before you can go inside.
Mommy, I want the privacy. Is it not Ray that will follow me everywhere? So that he will follow me to toilet itself. If I'm entering toilet.
That used to happen to you too.
Follow me and be waiting there for me to finish.
Kiki will stand right in front of the toilet and I'll be like, just go and let me be done before I come out. But no way.
You were making it in the toilet. With all this Oyibo that you are speaking, so you used to shit.
Of course, number two.
Number two. So Kedinke was number one.
Well, number one is when you wee. Number two is when you poo.
Honestly, I am surprised they are getting along this way.
Hey. Miracle no retire Jesus.
Honestly, I hope this lasts. I hope this is really going to last because the excitement is so much. I mean, let's go. Let's go. I'm sorry.
Big. Why?
Mama Ada, it's onions now. Anyhow you cut it, we'll still eat it like that.
Hey, no wonder. No wonder your food is just ordinary like that. You don't even know, you want to make everybody cry for Christmas, cutting onions big. That's why your food is not so sweet.
Hey, don't say that. Let me tell you, Uncle Ray and Auntie Kiki, they have never complained about my cooking. They always say it's very sweet.
And what choice? Beggar has choice. Do they see another one to eat? So they are just managing the one that you are giving them. Economy. I have to do everything by myself. Hey. Why is this onions big like this? Is it goat that we are feeding in this house?
It's carrot, not onions.
Is it goat? Why are you cutting this carrot?
I'm not finished now.
Is it goat that we are feeding that you are cutting this big? Can this thing pass your throat? Can this thing pass your throat?
Listen, your problem won't be person. You for just difference so that you I said be cutting it small so I can be seeing it.
All you young people of nowadays, I don't even know how you people are even managing. How you are even surviving, because you people will just be doing everything. Rush. Everywhere, rush. Driving, rush. Everything. You don't even read. Everything, video. You got video, you got telephone. No, swipe. You can't read. What did you say again?
Madam, I say I'm looking at this style. Very fine. Oh. Hey, small onions. I like your style. I'm learning, ma. Look, I cut on as you like her. Sure, it's good like this, have you?
Yes.
I say, oh, they look here, the food goes sweet well. Say, tiny rich.
Oh, Patience, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
What's cooking? Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Ah, why does Mama always do this? This is too salty. And that woman doesn't really know how to cook, you know. Because Maggi is sweet does not mean you should put it everywhere.
May God strengthen us, ma.
Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm going to fix this.
Huh.
I am. Because she thinks that she is the lord of this kitchen. She thinks that she's the queen of this place. But don't worry, I'm going to sort this out.
Madam Pamela,
yes,
Madam
please.
Pamela, leave it, ma.
Why?
You know I've been cooking in this kitchen for a long time. And I've been taking care of your daughter. When you came, can't you see how plump and nice she looks?
You don't want her to hear you say that she's fat, do you?
I mean that she's well taken care of. That's what
Don't worry, I'm going to actually sort this whole thing out. You know, my mother is very used to all those ancient things that they do in their village where she can cook with firewood and stove and all of that. But all of that can happen in her village, but not here.
Madam, what do you think happens in the village? It's not everybody that uses firewood to cook, ma.
Really?
Yes. We also use gas. It's because of the cost of gas. That's why some people still go back to stove. But we use gas.
Are you serious? They use gas in your village?
Yes, ma.
Oh, wow. I never knew about that. So, no shame. It's fine. Don't worry. I'm going to add a bit more spice and lots of water to calm this down. All right? So, we'll do all of that and have the...
Don't touch that stew. It's all right like that.
Did you hear that? What does she mean you shouldn't touch the stew? Put more water. Put more water. A bit more curry and more thyme.
Yes, ma.
Curry and thyme and plenty of water.
Yes, ma.
All right.
Hi! Oh! Why would these witches leave this place, sir? Have mama again. No time.
All this water you have been taking, is it not too much? You're going to wash away the baby's sense, so.
Oh my goodness. Mama Ada, water is good for her. It will leave her hydrated. Water is good for her and the baby. Please. You know, the way you go on with these your village ways, it can be very exasperating sometimes.
Village way?
I don't even understand you. Don't you get tired of all these your village ways and ideas?
Village way and idea?
Yes.
It is that village way and idea I used to carry my son. Look at my rain, I won't look back your girls. All the girls are fainting as my rain is a person. Look at him now. My village way is what made him the man he is now.
Congratulations. Your village ideas, it's really very obvious in Ray. You did very well. Congratulations.
Please, can I just have a little peace in this house for once?
Peace? Pregnancy is not a time for peace. Pregnancy is a time for war. It is time for you to put on your armor and carry your battle axe. It is time for you to fight for your baby. Fight for your baby's life. Up till when you enter labor, you fight, you war. After you give birth, then you can start talking about the peace.
But the other day I went out, you were busy complaining. You kept complaining.
Oh, no, when you were that day, I was just looking for what to say.
Mama Ada, aren't you tired? My dear, please, this is the time for you to enjoy your peace of mind. Do you understand?
once that baby comes out, you don't have any peace anymore. You have so much work to do that you won't even find time for peace.
Maya, you just like to argue. I think sometimes you just like to hear the sound of your voice. Eh? You like to hear the sound of your own voice because now, are you feeling that you are making sense? You just be talking. You think that is by speaking Fune. You think that everybody that has a Fune has sense. See many mumus in America now. Don't they have Fune?
Mother, you know, I don't understand you. Once a baby is born, the mother stops sleeping. The mother just stops sleeping.
Can you compare that time after birth to when you are carrying pregnancy?
Mama, that when the child is born, you stay awake at night.
You be talking nimi. Your talk is always immericious. It doesn't mean that you are
Mama,
sensible.
you stay awake to take care of that baby.
Who told you? When you are carrying the baby, is the baby not inside? It is inside load. When you born the baby, it is outside load.
Baby is born,
outside load, other people can help you to carry that baby. But inside load, only you will carry the baby.
The trouble becomes small once the baby comes out. When you are carrying the baby, you are still at peace.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello, Ray.
Hello, sir.
I got a big delivery job for you. Christmas morning. Pay is good. But the problem is the distance is far. Are you interested?
Sir, it's 2 days to Christmas, and with the baby on the way, I don't think it's a good idea to leave Kiki.
You were the one that called me about letting you know if there's anything available. And now you're giving me excuses.
Yeah, I know, sir. Just that if I take this job now, I won't be able to spend the Christmas with my family.
Well, Ray, it's not only you that feel that way. Everyone is saying they want to rest. So it might still be available if you are interested.
Alright, sir. I will let you know, sir.
Alright, no problem.
Okay, sir. I'm a bit confused. I need the money from that delivery, but letting you to spend the Christmas by yourself, it feels so wrong.
Babe, I know. But you leaving me all by myself in this house with your mother and my mother, it's not something I can handle, trust me. They will literally bring down this house before you get back. I wish there's even a way we can just keep reminding them that they need to leave every 2 seconds.
I could take them with me, you know. Tell them that I want to go and get something for you and that I'll be needing them to help me do the selection. Then when I get to Ore, I'll drop them off there and zoom off.
Huh. Babe, I understand though. I know if you take them with you, I will actually sleep for the first time in a long time. But I can only imagine my mom buzzing my phone, telling me that you dumped her somewhere she can't even find her traces anymore.
I just don't want you to spend the Christmas without me. Not with a baby on the way.
Babe, I know. But you got to do what you got to do. We'll figure it out, don't worry.
So what if the baby comes when I'm not here?
The baby will know that the father was out there trying to give its life a meaning. I mean, you're working so hard for us.
Babe, but I want to be there.
I know, honey, but you got to. Come here.
I love you.
I love you, Mom.
This is how a baby's cloth is supposed to be. Soft, spacious. Eh? It's not those tight things you went to pick. Now, by the time the baby wears it, the next thing, the baby will overgrow the cloth. You start looking for another one to buy. Eh?
Mama, you know, you never cease to amaze me. Do you really have to let everybody in this world know that you suffered when you were growing up? Mama, please spend some money. It's not a crime to spend money.
Just to spend the money. Just spend the money. Spending my son's money anyhow. Did he tell you that he used to pick it from gutter? That you just be spending my son's money anyhow? For what?
Alright, you don't really have to buy clothes that the child will wear from 0 months to 1 year old. Come on, cut me some slacks.
That is how clothes is supposed to be. Even when you are sending children to school, their clothes is supposed to reach the ground. Then as they are growing, the uniform will be coming up and up. That is how you treat baby clothes. You don't buy baby clothes exact size. Eh? It was as if people went to go and pick a plastic bottle. I was just looking at you. A newborn baby, nothing concern plastic near mouth of a newborn baby. Eh? While I raised my Ray, I used to give him a glass feeding bottle. That's what he used to use. Not plastic. Plastic I didn't matter for newborn babies.
Mama, what is wrong with plastic feeding bottles? I used plastic feeding bottles to feed my Kiki here. And it's not okay, fine. Thank God for your Ray. But come on, my Kiki is looking amazing, awesome, beautiful. So what's the difference?
You use plastic on her.
Of course I used plastic feeding bottles to feed her.
Ah, no wonder.
No wonder what?
No problem, nothing.
No.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. No. I don't understand. What is wrong with using plastic feeding bottles to feed a child?
That is why she used to be like somebody that cannot breathe, that can't stand.
Are you actually serious right now?
The pregnancy she's carrying and she's always looking very weak. You don't know it is that plastic that has affected her.
Affected what?
Chemical.
What chemical are you talking about?
That thing has chemical.
We don't cook. Do you cook the milk? Do you steam the milk with the plastic feeding bottle?
It's your fault.
Mama, the way you act sometimes.
It's not her fault. It's your fault.
No.
For putting plastic on her mouth when she's a newborn baby.
Oh my goodness. My mother, do you know what? The way you go about this, your ancient ways of doing things. I begin to wonder if we are not age mates. Why are you acting as if you're from the cave times? What is wrong with you?
I'll see cave time. You've just been speaking a big English for something that you don't know.
We're obviously extras in their show.
Sincerely speaking, this whole thing is beginning to choke me right now. I'm tired.
I don't even know where they get the energy to do this every day.
I'm tired.
It's crazy.
It's crazy. That's what
This is really crazy. Musa, how are you?
I'm very fine, Gary. I don't come check you. They say you know they are around. I say me I come celebrate you. I come congratulate you about your new house.
Shh. Calm down.
Gary, they hear different sound. Hey, I don't know. You know, say all this house where they build inside bush go the hear why the anyone sign.
Musa, that's not it.
Hey, okay, maybe because say you don't let many people don't come. Maybe they come and kill the snake and pythons so they hear before you even come.
Musa!
No?
It's just that Kiki doesn't know that this is our house yet. She doesn't know that this house belongs to us yet.
So, you mean say Madam Kiki just live here now, she don't know say na mansion with.
Bring down your voice.
Na mansion with this.
Exactly. I want to tell her on Christmas Day.
You want to tell her on Christmas? Hey. But why she go? Hey, she go there here now, she don't know say na she get this pie house. Oh, hey, man.
Musa, don't worry yourself about that.
Okay. No problem.
Musa.
No?
I think I will need advice from you.
You need advice from me? Hey! Well, Gary, you have come to the right person that can give you the surest advice. What is your problem? Can I hear?
Okay, here. Musa, come.
Yes.
So I want to spend Christmas with my wife alone. But our moms have made the house. They have made the house a living hell for me. They wouldn't leave. And now I have this delivery job on Christmas Day. But I don't want to leave Kiki alone with them. That's why I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
It's very top wine. It's a top wine. Because if you leave now, these two women, they kill each other before they come back. Before you come back. Have you made they turn this your mansion, make they turn am to bungalow. Hey, and if you stay, you no go have peace of mind.
Exactly.
Hey.
I just don't know what to do. I don't know how to go about this, so I'm so confused.
Ogari, collect the delivery work. Yes, leave the woman, let them fight their battle. That's what they always want. They pick themselves, leave them. If they're tired of themselves, they look each other.
Musa,
no?
You make it sound so easy.
So, I still get wisdom.
What are you even doing here anyways?
Yes, I help patients. I help and carry some old stuff from our former house. Come give them.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I.
So should I call her for you?
No, I've delivered my work already.
Ah.
Yes.
So what are you still doing here then?
Hey, look at you go. Have a lovely good day. Ogari. Ay, fine house. God, when me to go build my own house.
Light don't shine for the bow. Breeze they blow cool and soft. Children they sing loud and proud. Joy don't spread enough it stop.
So Mama Kiki, Pamela. Kiki and I were thinking maybe this house is a little too crowded for Christmas, don't you think?
The house is alive with the family. That's the way it's supposed to be. Supposed to be.
Exactly. The more, the merrier. You know, all this while, it was always Kiki and I during Christmas periods. But right now, we have all you people to tag along. So it's beautiful. It's amazing.
Are you not the one tagging up?
You people, you should try and come to the village for Christmas one of these days. One of these Christmas time. It's not every time abroad, London.
Really?
That's what I meant, but...
Are you serious?
Yes.
Like masquerades, going out, all those kind of things, sightseeing?
See, not to just masquerade. After we finish with the masquerade, then we now go to motherless babies' homes.
Wow! Amazing! That's like tourism, right?
No. After that, when we go there, we now share the things that the community gathered.
Okay.
We share it to them there.
Wow.
Then after that, dance. Dance until New Year.
Are you serious? Kiki, are you coming to the village with me next Christmas? Both of us can just go together, have fun. Yeah, sure, yeah. I'm in. Wow, are you serious?
Village.
And you're in charge of everything.
Don't say no further. Say no further. If I'm not there, what is happening? In short, by now they'll be missing me seriously.
Oh my goodness.
The Christmas period everywhere, noise everywhere.
Wow.
You see, people used to come back from abroad. Everybody used to come. Monday when family there, Monday just bury me on just to be looking about at everything.
I'm in. Next Christmas, I'm coming to the village.
I will introduce you to all the women there in the women community. I'm the one in charge.
And it's something like tourism, moving around, seeing people wearing different costumes.
Tourists.
Oh my goodness, that would be amazing. It sounds very interesting.
It's very, very interesting. Then the village choir there in the village.
You have a village choir?
Oh no.
Wow.
What are they singing here in the city?
Are you serious?
If you see when those people, when they come out, plus those singing soprano, plus those singing oboe, oh, that's an alto.
Okay.
When you hear them, their voice, when it combined like this,
oh my it sounds very interesting.
You like it.
Oh my goodness. I'm in. I am in. Christmas, we're in the village. Oh, this is amazing.
All hands join like this, now unity. From Lagos to Sokoto we did. Fireworks for sky they burst.
This is supposed to be here.
Christmas tree is supposed to be at the corner. You don't used to watch Oyibo film. It's not in front of the house.
It should be not in front of the house. This is not the balcony. It should be right beside the curtain, in between the television and the curtain.
But they more town, because if you put it like this, when people are watching television, they will be confused which one to watch.
How can it be confusing them? There's a huge difference between the television and the Christmas tree.
When I enter this house, I already know. I already vision it that this tree shall be by the corner.
Is it a vision now?
It is by vision.
Mama Ada, okay, fine. You know everything. Mama Ada knows everything.
This is insane. I don't know how I even thought we could spend the Christmas together.
Babe, relax. It's just few days to Christmas. And trust me, they will soon relax and everything will be alright.
When did you change your mind over letting them stay?
I don't know. You know, they said, the more, the merrier.
But it's the more we're experiencing, the merrier didn't come along, as you can see.
Yes. All hail Mama Ada. Yes. We will always follow what she says.
Hail me, hail me.
I'm not hailing you.
Hail me.
Just put it where you want to put it.
All hail Mama Ada.
No, I'm not hailing you.
You will hail me.
I will not.
Ngwa,
put it where you want to put it.
Ngwa, come and help me.
Help you do what?
Help me and put the tree. You will follow and arrange it.
Don't tell me you're not enjoying yourself this holiday.
Babe, I wanted to spend this holiday with you. Just the both of us alone. Not this.
Babe, I know. But you remember they say, if you can't beat them, you join them. And you've seen that we've tried so much to get rid of them and it's not working.
I thought you knew how to do that.
Come now, come and help me. Let's do the tree. I even want to go and finish cooking something in the kitchen.
Are you serious right now?
I will start putting it, then you will continue. Let me go and do something in the kitchen. I can't give one 18 pussies.
Mama,
you have been disturbing since that you want to do it like London people.
I'm just doing this for the sake of my daughter. I'm giving you a chance to do it
like London people. Where did you see London people putting tree in front of the house?
No,
you are the one that you are always speaking to that you are going abroad. You are going to the abroad. Ungwano do it like people in the abroad.
Okay, fine. We'll let them stay.
God.
They can't continue like this.
Babe, don't worry, okay? We'll go through it, trust me. We'll just have to relax and enjoy.
This is quite a show.
And I'm enjoying myself.
Careful.
This does it. Wow, this is beautiful.
Hey, what kind of a tree is this? Something that does not have ribbon, no angel, no nothing. Is that one Christmas tree? Is it ordinary this light that is in Pyom that you are calling Christmas tree now on this thing?
Mama Ada, it is because this place is not a museum. Alright, this is just a family house. Everything does not have to look like what is coming from your childhood.
And who told you that I even had a Christmas tree during my childhood? You think I'm a Jeba Momo like you? Look at how this tree is even bare. Just like that. Okay, this one now that you put, does it match the color coding? Does it match the color coding of this tree now?
What color coding are you talking about, for goodness sakes?
Does it match the color coding is what I'm asking you now. It doesn't match the color coding.
Mama, enough!
Holy moly!
It's just Christmas tree and not a political campaign. Can't we just have peace in this house for once?
I am just trying to help. Is that why you're shouting at your mother?
Mama, this is Christmas Eve. And I just wanted a peaceful Christmas with my wife.
Are you trying to say that we are disturbing you?
No.
So why were you raising your voice at your mother?
But leave him. Leave him alone. He feels he's a man now. He can talk to me anyhow.
You can't even apologize.
Mama, sorry.
It's your house now. It's your rule. You can't talk anyhow.
It's okay, dear, alright? Sorry, okay?
Thank you.
But it's not bad after all, is it?
Not too bad, no. We'll just arrange it.
It's beautiful like
fine.
this.
It's a fine tree. We'll use it and take selfie.
You're right.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Don't just let this get to you, alright? It's Christmas Eve. Just let it slide. Please.
I've tried. I have really tried. But they keep pushing. Every single thing is an argument. I don't know how much more I can take from them anymore.
Bring your voice down, babe. I know. Please. It's just one day to Christmas. We can still have a very nice Christmas dinner. Okay, fine. I think once food is ready, everybody will be okay.
But they have been eating every day and arguing every day. You know what? I think the food is the source of the problem. Yes.
You cannot put your hope in any human being.
Patience, please. He didn't mean it that way, alright?
I know exactly what he meant. I heard what he said.
Patience. Patience.
I have been living with you guys for like 1 year now. In fact, you married and I moved in almost immediately. So people even say that I'm married to the both of you. I don't understand what is happening now. He says the both of you are fed up of me. Let me know that.
Patience.
I will say my mind. I will say how I'm feeling. You're not the only one that is suffering under the weight of these women. I am suffering. They have come, taking over my domain. Have I not been cooking for the both of you, sis? Have you not been eating my food? Did you not like it? Anyway, maybe I'm the one that is deceiving myself. No problem, oh. No problem at all.
So what now? Are you quitting?
I want to sleep now. I'm tired. Let me sleep.
Patience, they are still in the living room.
Oh.
I've tried.
Kiki, have you seen the whole house yet? You must be so excited to know that you are going to be living here permanently. Oh, my son really tried for you. My son, Odogu, he really tried to build you this kind of house. Oh, hey, oh my cousin.
Mama, what did you just say?
I said that she must be happy now. She must be happy with your achievement. You try, Ikwara.
Kiki, is this your new home?
Mom, I have no idea.
You didn't tell me anything.
Ray, is that true?
Mama, you weren't supposed to say anything.
Why are you shouting at me? I'm just happy for both of you. This is a Christmas time now. Why wouldn't I talk? Christmas time is a time for sharing good news. If you don't share good news during Christmas, when will you share it?
Mama, you ruined everything. This was supposed to be a surprise for Kiki. You have to always find a way to get yourself involved in everything.
I thought you had told her already. I didn't know.
I personally called you on the phone. I told told you not to tell Kiki about this. I told you I wanted to tell Kiki myself. How was that not a secret, Mama?
I didn't know. I'm sorry, I didn't know. I thought you have told her.
Of course, you wouldn't know. Because you don't listen. And that's because you want to always be in control all the time.
I've already said I'm sorry. No.
Mama, this was supposed to be a secret. I planned this for months. It took me months to plan all of this. But you ruined it for me. Because you can't keep quiet. You can't keep your mouth shut. Mama, this was one thing I asked you to do for me. Just one thing. I put up with you. I put up with your constant drama. Just for you to do one thing for me. Don't talk. Keep quiet. Close your mouth. You couldn't.
I was just trying to brighten the mood.
This mood didn't need any brightening.
Babe, please. It's okay. She has already apologized. Can you sit?
No. It's not okay.
You see, if you had communicated well, all this wouldn't have been happening. Kiki, this guy looks like someone who is very secretive. No wonder you're always looking tired.
Mom, please. Enough. Stop. Enough. Not now. Babe, please, can you just forgive Mama? Just sit, alright? She already said she's sorry.
Kiki, this was supposed to be our time. But our moms, they have decided to ruin it for us.
It's okay.
Mama, you have to leave my house. Now.
Oh my goodness.
I'm damn serious about it. You have to leave my house now!
You are kicking your mother out of the house.
Yes.
Babe, please. No one is leaving the house. I mean, this is Christmas. You're supposed to be enjoying ourselves. Babe.
And you, Mama Pamela, we need space as well at this moment, please.
What did you just call me?
You heard me, Mama Pamela, Mama Kiki, whatever your name is. We don't want you in this house anymore. We don't want both of you in this house anymore.
Babe, I take serious exceptions to being called that. Kiki, did you just hear that? I should leave his house? Is this how you treat your in-laws, your wife's family?
Babe, nobody's leaving. They are our mothers. This is Christmas, for crying out loud. Let us come over you.
No problem. If my son has decided that he doesn't want me again, somebody, you will understand.
You are not going anywhere.
You understand when you have children?
Mama, please leave.
Mama, you're not leaving. You're not going anywhere.
And I say she is leaving my house today.
Mama, sit down. It's already late. I don't want you endangering your life for nothing.
Okay, don't worry, I'll be alright. I'll be okay. I'm not afraid of darkness. Is it not night bulb I used to use to come to Lagos? So I'm not afraid. I'll be alright. I'll be You know what? This is it. I'm leaving this house as well. I cannot stay where I'm not wanted. Just hold on, we're living together, okay?
You're happy now?
What is it? I just wanted it to be perfect.
Congratulations. This is far from being perfect. Just you and I, like you've always wanted.
Kiki, I didn't mean for any of this to happen. I just wanted a peaceful Christmas. You and I, together, a fresh start in our new home. That was all I wanted.
Ray, it seems you're not getting something straight here. This is not just about us. I am pregnant, just in case you've forgotten. I need my mother. And now that you've succeeded in throwing out our both mothers, how do you expect me to cope? What do you want me to do?
I didn't ask for this to happen.
The
I didn't know they were going to be barging in on us and ruining everything that took me months to plan.
Ray, they are our mother. They are our mother, for goodness sake, in as much as they can be overbearing sometimes. But they care. Now you've thrown them out like they mean nothing. Merry Christmas. Rubbish. I don't even understand. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. This is just unbelievable. How?
To hold you close, our souls entwined. Oh, love like ours defies all time. Unbreakable promise, feel my heart beat strong. In the dark of night where we both belong. No distance wide, no mountain high.
Kiki, I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking.
You don't think? Not when it comes to our families, you don't think? Have you sat down to realize how important this is to us? I mean, how much they mean to us? It is high time you realize that this is not just about you and me anymore. I hope you get that.
Kiki, I did this for us.
For us or for you? Huh?
That's not fair. You wanted them gone as much as I did.
At first, yes, I wanted them going. But not anymore. I mean, I enjoy having them around here. They've been of so much use for me in this house. They've been the ones taking care of me while you were not there.
Go on. While I was what? Out there, working, trying to make sure I put food on our table, trying to make sure that you are comfortable. Why are you trying to make it look like I'm the devil here? Why are you trying to make it look like it's my fault? Like my mother didn't blow up my plans even after I told her to keep quiet about it. I told her I wanted to tell you myself. Or like our moms didn't try to frustrate me in this house. They had to go. They don't have a place here. They had to leave.
Baby, you don't have to take this thing too far. You have to understand where I'm coming from. They've been assisting me, doing everything for me. Now you want me to be suffering as much as, very soon I'll be due for labor. Baby, you're really taking this too far. You shouldn't have,
No, I am here trying to tell you how sorry I am, and then you are trying to make it look like I'm the bad person here.
Hey, you're yelling. It's affecting me.
Our moms, they wanted to frustrate my life in my own house.
Babe, I'm having a headache. You're shouting on my head. I cannot breathe again. I'm having a headache. Don't be shouting on me like that. On me, I don't like it. You're seeing that somebody is suffering and you're shouting. Why are you shouting now? Don't shout on me again. Just leave me alone. You don't know me. I'm pregnant. I used to have a headache like this.
As the sun rises every morning, now your love they shine for my heart. Even when it rain, my love for you no go depart. For this journey we go together, nothing fit tear us apart. Even when wahala come, now your face go dey my heart.
Maybe I should just take this job. At least that way I can do something very useful.
For this love I go fight till the morning turn to night. For your eyes I dey see my future.
Hello, good morning, sir. Yes, I am available for the delivery, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, sir. Alright, sir.
Give my own. Forever and ever we dey roam. You be my angel, my queen. I fit face anything. Your love, they make me stay strong. For you, I go sing this song.
So, you are still here, staring at your phone, as if the solution is inside.
Patience, I'm taking this job.
Hey.
At least I won't have to sit here messing things up.
No. So you are telling me that you will leave your pregnant wife alone this Christmas day? Ha! And you think that is solution? It's not, oh.
Patience, it's not like that. I just need to clear my head. I need to go out of the house for a bit.
Ha! My Oga, I know your pain. I know it is not easy. Things are very difficult in this house. But you cannot just do like that. Eh? You must end this year. Because if you don't, if you start next year with fight, that is already a guarantee that year will not be good for you. So don't do that. Solve it this year before you make any deliveries. Don't let this thing that is happening ruin this young marriage. When will start? Please. Eh?
You're right. I'll fix this.
In the hush of night's embrace, lips meet in a timeless place. Under stars that softly glow, hearts whisper what they know. Silent breaths so close they sigh. Eyes are closed yet souls they fly. Tender touch, a gentle claim in this stillness.
Hey.
No one's name. Stolen moments, time stands still. Kisses like the morning chill.
Kiki,
Shadows, love ignites.
I know I messed up. I didn't want it to be like this.
And yet, here we are.
I'm sorry. I don't even know how to fix this. I took the job, the delivery job.
And you think leaving me here all by myself is going to bring solution? Do you actually think that taking up the delivery job automatically fix things? Really?
Kiki, I want to do what's right. But I don't even know what to do anymore. I just wanted a perfect Christmas. But here we are.
There is nothing like a perfect Christmas here. All we have is family. But you've succeeded in kicking them out. What else do you want?
I'm sorry. I want to fix this, but I don't know how to. I don't know what to do.
You know, since you automatically know everything, I bet you should find a way to figure it out. Fix it.
In the shadows, love ignites.
Hello, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm on my way already. Okay, sir. Babe. I'll see you soon.
Hi.
What is it? Are you okay?
I'm fine. The baby just kicked.
Okay. Be good. Take care.
Even when wahala come, now your face go dey my heart. Now you be my everything. Every day you dey make my heart sing. For this love I go fight till the morning turn to night. For your eyes I dey see my future. Every step where we take, no pressure. Together we go climb high mountain. No retreat, no surrender. Waiting I go do without your love. Now your touch I dey crave like dove. For your heart I fit give my own.
Patience!
Forever and ever we dey roam.
Patience! Where is this woman? Patience! Patience! Oh!
Madam! Madam, what is it? What is it? What is it?
Oh, don't be asking me. I think the baby is coming.
Hey! So, Uncle! Where's your guy?
He's not around. Let's just be going.
Hey, small. Yes, sir. Musa! Where madam? Open gate up! Sorry, madam. We have to move, ma. Sorry.
Let's go.
We have to... Musa! Hey, somebody move. Sorry, ma. Sorry. Sorry.
Hello, Ray. Why are you calling me? I'm driving. Yes, what is it?
Pamela, Kiki is in labor.
Are you joking? Kiki is in labor?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Has she gone to the hospital?
I'm not even at home.
And where are you?
Lord have mercy.
You are not at the hospital. You're not at home.
Oh my God.
Holy moly. What is wrong with you? You sent my mother and I out of the house and you're not even there, knowing fully well that my daughter will soon put to bed. Listen to me, Ray. If anything happens to my daughter, you will not hear the last of it. Do you get me?
Pamela,
You better be on your way to that hospital right about now. And I don't want my mother 10 meters near that hospital. Do you get me? I am coming over to do the omugwo and take very good care of my daughter. Do you get me? Be on your way to the hospital right now. Can you beat this? You send both of us out of the house and then you're not even there to take care of my daughter. Oh, jeez. Nothing must happen to my girl. Do you get that? Bye to you too. Rubbish. Can you imagine? Oh, Lord. Oh my goodness, Lord, please, nothing must happen to my girl. Nothing must happen to my girl. I better just be on my way to that hospital. Let me quickly turn and be on my way to the hospital. Oh, goodness me. Oh, no.
You know, this has been the most eventful Christmas of my life. I'm not even joking. Hey! But I'm glad it's all over. It's time to focus and plan for the next one. I hope you all are going to be here to celebrate with us.
Are you sure?
So that it's not when we come now, you will tell us it is too loud. This place is noisy. This place is... We don't want any of that.
No. There is no Christmas without noise. Mommy, up here.
Hey! Don't worry. Next time, next Christmas, all of us are Shrebi.
Away.
Mama, I have where we'll bring the material from. All of us will wear Shrebi throughout Christmas, plus baby. And then the evil self, I will bring a masquerade.
You bring a masquerade?
Yes, I'll bring. I will bring it to Lagos.
From the village?
I will bring the masquerade to Lagos. I give me to a bar. Christmas.
Goodness, you're bringing a masquerade.
Yes.
That would be nice.
Everywhere get Yes. We'll call my meeting women. We will come here. I will scatter everywhere for Christmas. Don't disgrace me. Hey! Come, let me teach you how to dance it.
I think I learned everything.
Oh my goodness. Let me go and put to sleep. Okay.
Light don't shine for the bow, breeze they blow, cool and soft. Children they sing loud and proud. Joy don't spread, you know if it stop. Christmas now we all know. Make we dance and make we play. All hands join like this, now unity. From Lagos to Sokoto we dey. Mama they cook jollof, Papa they gist with friends. Everybody they smile, they laugh. Christmas spirit no they end. Christmas now we all know. Make we dance and make we play. All hands join like this, now unity. From Lagos to Sokoto.